You can see I am using the iPhone 17 Pro. My vivid filter is enabled. So how to enable this vivid filter on your iPhone 17 Pro series? If I take a photo, let's take a photo, and if I go to the photo section, press on this three dotted line, go to filter, then you can see vivid mode is enabled. So the trick is you need to go your setting, and under setting you can see the camera option and go to the format. Then here you can see the capture option. If you select high efficiency and if you take a photo, then you don't see the adjustment option or filter option. But if you take a photo with most compatibility, like let's take a photo, and if I go the setting, go to setting, go to filter, then you can see its vivid mode is enabled. So you have to take a photo with most compatibility, enable this option. Now take any photo, then you can easily enable your vivid filter on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max or any series. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.